Dwayne, I'm still trying to get used to the Tradeify, man. They updated it.
Yeah, the new dashboard.
Yeah.
It's not crazy. It's not crazy, but I will say the journal, I don't feel like it works.
Mm.
Like their new in the dashboard trading journal, I don't feel like it's working. Because whenever I go mine, it's never showing anything. Or maybe I gotta do this. Hold on. Get started by syncing the latest trades. Yeah, I just clicked the button. Let's see what happens.
You what?
No, it just told me to get started syncing your latest trades. I've never seen that little button before, so I may be, I may have to be corrected here in a second. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. Hopefully, you guys are excited to trade today. I know I am. We're gonna make some money and get out the markets. That's it. All we're trying to do. Refresh page in 5 seconds. Gotcha. What's up, Fuss? Good morning, sir. Yeah, it's not. Mine's not working. Just we'll see if it's synced now. Well, right now, looking at the market, we're going sideways, and that's where I've been getting caught up this week. Well, not this week. Yesterday and last week, you know what I'm saying? Getting caught up in that sideways action. So we're just going to be going sideways. I'm not touching it. What's up, BP? What's up, Is? Good morning, everybody. Sideways action is a no-go, for me at least. Don't know about y'all, but for me, it's a no-go. I want some solid flags today to execute my trades. I could take a payout with Lucid live today on stream, but I want to see if the market's going to move somewhat decent because I want to base hit a little bit more so I could do the max payout on the account. Is were you going to be in town this Saturday, or were you going to be out? Because we got the Traders Meetup Central Florida in Lake Mary at Topgolf. What's up, Rob? Good morning, sir. I'm feeling okay. I have a slight bruise above my bicep. So, me and the trainer, we've already been in communication this morning. We're going to do legs today. Give the upper body a complete rest. Because, yeah, not trying to mess anything up. I'll tell you that. I can move it a little bit more in front of my face today, like doing front raises with my arm, but still slightly painful. So, that's all right, bro. You'll have to go to the next one. You'll have to go to the next one, brother. Give it 2 more minutes. I'll start giving you all the stuff that I'm looking at in the markets this morning. Just waiting here. So we get more people in here because, like I always say, your boy hates repeating himself. I'm a parent. As parents, we don't like repeating. I'm like still surprised. Like, and this is what's kind of crazy. I'm surprised that the market has continued to go up, even though we're not at like peace technically with Iran. BP, if US is different, your family. You know what I'm saying? It's different when family asks. Yeah, I'm not jumping in on anything today unless it's like an A++ setup. I'm trying to add money to my funded accounts, and we're going to keep it moving. That's it. But right now, we're in this sideways action, tight little range here. So I'm not trying to trade that if I don't got to. All right, 925. Let's get it. So the VWAP, my VWAP on the 2-minute chart on trading view is 627.25. 627.25. 21 EMA is sitting behind my candle, but that's right about 673. 673 for that. We got that overnight high up there at 723. 723 for that overnight high there. Let's take it on down. We got the close from yesterday, 58550. 58550. I'm not seeing any pivot points right now. Hold up. Hold the phone. All right, we got a pivot point below us all the way down there at 362.75. Let's look above us. Pivot above us at 821.75. It's funny, whenever we got those pivots above us, I'm like, oh man, that's high up there. I don't know if we'll get there. And then what does the market do? It gets us there.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey, Mr. Nelson, what is up, brother?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How about yourself, brother?
Man, it's just been working, trying to get back to it.
I feel that, fam. When are you going to be back in Florida?
Oh, I'm in Florida right now. I'm in Cape Coral.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on the market today, so.
Okay, let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Are you going to be up in Orlando anytime soon or no?
Yeah. Oh, let me see. Probably the next, cause I gotta go back on the road soon. Probably in about 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Is there an event going on?
Yeah, I'm doing a traders meetup for the Legacy in Central Florida. We're hitting Top Golf in Lake Mary on Saturday.
That's tough. When exactly?
This Saturday, like at 7:30 or 7:45.
Damn. Oh man, I don't think I'll be able to make it, but shoot, the next event.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Sure. Dang, I'm missing the first event.
Yep. Because I'm normally, I've been not sure if you've been paying attention around. I know you're working. I've been traveling the globe this year. New cities, new states every month of the year.
Yeah.
Meeting up with Legacy Wealth Society members.
Okay.
So this month, instead of traveling somewhere else, I'm like, you know what? I got home base here with multiple Legacy Wealth Society members.
Yeah, I mean, he's serious about this. He actually drove I-4 for crying out loud. This is getting real. I mean, this is not just a joke anymore.
Good morning, Steve. So I'm like, instead of me going to a new country or state, let me get with the locals.
Well, the locals, that sounds like I'm like a colloquial, like we're sitting on a porch. No, man, we're the foundation.
Get with the day ones, you know what I'm saying? Like, vibe up.
Yeah, I saw you went to Austin? You went to Texas?
Yeah, I was in San Antonio last month. Meeting up with BP in the chat.
Okay.
He also went to Ocala, but he doesn't want anybody to know.
We got less than a minute for market open, here. I'm waiting until 9:45. We've been going sideways, so I'm not taking trades in sideways action today. I don't care how much I want to click that button. I can't do it.
What's the news for today?
We got news. I believe it's like at 11:30. So nothing for us. Yeah, 11:30 news today.
Okay.
Yeah, I will not be here for that. So.
How are you feeling?
Pretty much the same as yesterday. I did get a little bit more range of motion on my front raises today. There's market open. Woo! Look at that pop. So today we're just going to do legs in the gym. We're not going to touch any upper body.
I don't know how fresh the news is, but they're doing like the talks again, so maybe that'll give us some movement. Israel and Lebanon or whatever.
Okay.
You heard about the fuel tanks, the boats?
That they were coming to the U.S. to grab oil.
Yeah.
I did hear that. I did
Like
see that.
It's like 110 of them or something like that. Big old tanks.
So
Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy.
Well, just make it move, baby. Hey, Duane, I'm having this thing where it's like I'll set my stop loss, my ATM,
Mm-hmm.
and then Ninja will like freeze, like it'll pause, like in the middle of the night. Have you ever like? I know you don't trade like that, but have you ever had that where it's just like, you know, and then I'll reconnect and connect, and it's back. It's still connected to all the stuff. So I was just curious if that's ever happened to you.
That's never happened to me, but is it happening between the Asian session and the London session?
It could be, but I mean, the thing is, I've been like doing it like that for a while, and it seems like recent.
Yeah. Interesting.
Like I woke up today, and all my accounts were like zero. I'm like, huh? And then you know, and it just like, and then like when I rebooted it, there was you know, the order was still there, and then I ended up closing it. So
Yeah, that's weird. I've never traded or tried doing ATM on those overnight sessions, so that's kind of out of my wheelhouse. But that's just weird.
I'm wondering if like during the day if it ever did it, because it's I don't
No.
know.
Like sometimes I'll notice like my bar timer's not working, like counting, and I'll have to disconnect and reconnect when I see something like that. But that's the most I normally see.
Who's Ladarian?
That's Steve. He changes his name every week. That's his thing. So if I see a random name on the call, I'm up. That's Steve. I don't even question it anymore because I think I questioned it one time. Like, yo, who's this? It's me, Job Turkey. I'm all right, but all right.
Hey, Duane, did you see I sent you
The weights? I did see the weights. I just didn't, when I saw it was late, and I didn't want to text you, and then like your wife be like, who's texting you like at 1 a.m?
It'll be like Duane. How about those? They look nice, huh?
Yeah. I miss picking up weights already. Yeah, I'm watching that BP for that data candle. Coming close to it. Haven't hit it yet. That 723 was from that candle from this pre-market.
Yeah, I wasn't trading, but I got up and I was just kind of like looking in the background. I saw that 830 spike.
Yeah.
Does BP have like a order above that?
Not exactly sure if he got an order above it. BP got order above that bad boy. The class wants to know. They're trying to copy your answers.
No.
No.
I
All right,
usually-
just took that data candle out right there. Let's see how we react.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag. I would not like to see. I love to see flags with good follow through and momentum. But I'm not pushing anything today because if the markets continue moving how I don't like, I may just take a payout on Lucid live today. And we'll do the whole timer, everything like that, see how fast it drops into the account. But I want to keep base hitting so I could get that max payout on it.
Totally.
All right, this thing's still pumping on up here. And this is so crazy. It's not even like we're really at peace right now and this thing's moving like this. It's so crazy. I like when the market is consistently moving the same exact way. I don't like the sporadicness of the market.
I have a marker at 49.75 for where we were trading here a long time ago, and so it's like coming up to touch that. So that's interesting. So it's always interesting when it walks back to like old.
Yeah, old point, key points.
Yeah.
We have yet to get a bull flag yet. That's another thing I'm paying attention to as well. I want to see some flags start printing to give that confirmation of what direction we're trying to move in. Oh, someone's in a trade. I heard it. Who got caught with their hand in the cookie jar?
Yeah, I heard that.
I think that was David. He real quiet right now.
Yeah, a little too quiet.
G and Steve, let me know what size shirts you guys need. I'm putting the order in with my guy today, so we'll have it on Saturday for y'all.
All right, I'm at XL.
XL, got you. All right, so we're well above the VWAP. We're above that 21 EMA right now. You gonna sell the shirts? I haven't really thought about selling shirts, Move. You know what I'm saying? Like, I thought about like doing like one of those online little stores that people could buy the merch if they want it. But would people actually buy it? Like that's why I haven't really thought about it. Do you guys feel like people will buy Legacy Wealth Society shirts with 1K a day keeps the bills away on the back and self-paid on the front with the LWS on the back?
I wanted to say Jive Turkey.
Jive Turkey. If they're cheap, yeah. Oh, yeah, I wouldn't charge more than that, fam.
Timu, man. This is slave labor shit.
Are we going to start getting us a little bull flag? Yeah, it would not be $30 for a t-shirt. That's kind of crazy.
Maybe $30 for a t-shirt and a napkin.
All right, yeah, well, I'll start working on that. Little.
If it has a picture of your face doing one of your quotes, it's worth the full 30.
All right, got you. That's all I had here.
But it's gotta have like the photo print. Like a screen grab of that one time you did the handstand.
The handstand? No handstands.
No, you're gonna say no to everything right now, but you know it's the truth.
I'm interested to learn the Forex trading. Just help me with that. I can't help you learn how to trade Forex. I don't trade Forex. If you want to learn how to trade futures, I got you. But Forex, I don't trade. I can only teach on what I know personally. My strategy works across the board. Does not matter if you're trading stocks, Forex, crypto. The strategy simply works. But I personally only trade futures on the Nasdaq. Getting a nice pullback here. Like now I would want to see if possibly, let me get me another doodle here. Maybe we build like this little bear flag. Smooth. That's what I was going to do. I was going to have the little virtual store that it's the print on demand type. So whenever someone buys it, they'll print and ship it. I got less than 5 more minutes now. Less than 5 more minutes and I'm cleared to trade. But this market ain't really moving like that right now. I would like to see some clean A+ setups today.
I think you speak for all of us, Batman.
I'm gonna be transparent with you all day. Yesterday when I injured my arm, I got very emotional. You know.
I saw you weeping, but I wasn't gonna say anything.
I didn't weep. Hold up, Steve. I did not weep, first off. I was ready to weep.
Wait, what happened?
Yesterday, because I got a full-time trainer 5 days a week.
Yep.
That I'm training with. And yesterday we were doing a push day. We were doing chest, bench press, throwing the medicine ball up against the wall, the whole shebang.
Mm-hmm.
On one of my last sets, it was only 225 I was repping.
My bad, guys.
Oh, you're good.
On that trade.
This guy, my bad, folks. What happened? Oh, 1600. My bad. This guy. But back to my story time. I came down, and when I went to explode off the chest to push up, my whole right chest and arm gave completely out. And I was like, what just happened? My trainer's like, what just happened? Because he knows I don't quit on sets or anything like that. Yeah. And the way it came back down on me, he knew something was off. So it was just one of those things where now I got to nurse an injury. But back in February, I had pulled like my chest and intercostal muscle that attaches to your rib cage. So I think I re-aggravated that possibly.
Yeah, I mean, it's just in my layman, without like seeing it or like knowing more, I'd say that's exactly it. You know what I mean? And it could have just hit, and it's like that natural protection that it hit, and you're just like, threw you off, you know?
Yeah, because I heard a little pop and all that. Oh no, what just happened? Jesus.
You were benching, right? That's what you were doing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you probably pulled a muscle or something, right?
Yeah. I don't think I tore anything because I still can move my arm and everything. You know what I'm saying? Like
in those situations, I could tell you it probably hit, and it was like a natural defense of your body. It's like stop. It overrode the movement, and then the velocity took it down.
Yeah.
Were you heavy setting?
No, it was we were working up to 225. 225 was the like lightest weight because he had me doing that and then throwing a medicine ball up against the wall. Okay. So I would bench straight to the medicine ball, go 30-second minute break, bench back and forth with like 145 for the lowest weight, and we were just incrementally just adding a little bit of weight. So I got that time under tension.
Yes, that's what the miracle is.
I do not do Pilates, Izzy.
But you invited me to that class, and I said no.
Yep. I asked Steve to go with me. He said no, so I didn't go either. So. All right. So we're above my yellow line here.
That was a nice goal flag right there in the 5 minute that it formed.
Yep. Oh.
Well, I took that trade on that when we retraced on that 25. When it was in that 25, 7, 10.
Yeah.
10
10.
area.
Yeah.
I took I did a buy from there from 7-10 to like a 30, 40 point. Not too crazy.
Oh, nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying?
Like other said, he just like humble bragging all the way.
I love it though.
My bad.
That's good though, man. I got that. That's on my funded too. So.
Hey, let's go, G.
Look, I got 3 more days.
Get it.
Pay out this weekend from Lucid.
Okay. And you'll get that like right away too.
Apex need to hurry up so I can start trading on this thing. So I can get my money so I can start trading.
Give me my money, sucker.
My money, sucker.
All right, I'm officially cleared to trade. Officially cleared to trade here. Finally. The high of this 15-minute range where we're currently sitting close to 761. 761 is the high of the range. The low of this range 656. 656.
Thank you, Duane.
So we did break out of that range briefly there, pulled right back into it. Let's see if we get another flag.
You know what I noticed though? If you place a trade, even if you're on Ninja or TradingView, it'll all like be all synced together. Like it will remember your trade.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that. That's cool.
That it does. Because it's using the same connection.
Okay. Like if you have a stop loss and you're in the active trade, it'll still show you all that. That's awesome.
Let's see what we get here.
So the biggest so Tradeify pretty much has third parties. That's just how it works, right?
But they're also a brokerage.
Yeah.
They are not a prop firm.
No, they are not a prop firm.
So you can. I have my money into Ninja Trader. Where I just trade Ninja Trader, but I don't talk about it on here because then Duane will say that's a mistake.
No, everybody has their preferences.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's why. Yeah, but you better get my preferences right on that shirt, mother. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah,
Get.
I met some guys. They have their own accounts and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, but I guess people just have their own purposes. I just think it's smarter to use somebody else's money.
18 minutes.
Well, I like both. I got both now. So.
Oh, okay.
I'm done.
Yeah, that's smart too.
Yeah, that's it. I'll make the 16 and I'm done. That's it. I go.
What's up, Carmona? Good morning, sir.
Carmona.
I'm just waiting here.
Well, look at. I mean, on a 5 minute, if it holds where it is, you can have a nice other bull flag. It'll take you to paradise.
From your lips to God's ears.
All you need is a little bit of momentum.
But I don't like how deep this is trying to pull back here.
It's not half the play. It's not half the staff yet. If you look at the 5 minute, so let's just see. Let's not use the power of our tongue against it. Well, he's doing the head dance again.
We got 45 seconds left on this 5-minute candle here. Hey, congratulations, Brett. You know, green is green. Green is green. Brett closed at 320, got 178. We've all been there before.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing one trade a day because I have a tendency to be an animal on the charts. So
I think everybody deals with that, David.
I start. I don't know. I get like spasms and start just doing random.
Not the spasms.
Yeah, that's how it feels like. Spasms of just placing trades. Oh man, I'm cool, man.
That's it.
I'm like, right here, we got a looking like a little bear flag trying to print on the 2-minute here.
No, 5 minutes kind of still favoring that bull situation.
Yeah. Even on this 2-minute though, it's showing that buying wick, so that's buying pressure still sitting there.
Come on, it's called momentum. Come on.
Come on, Betsy. Take me to the yellow line. Not liking this dance right now. I'm gonna get ready to close this, protect some capital here.
Well, YM is like lagging. It's
Okay.
lagging.
We got some selling pressure right here. I'm getting ready to close this. Yeah, I closed that. Because we printed, it was a small, we had those buying wicks. That's why I was staying in it. What's up, Motion? Good morning, sir. Coming down to my bottom yellow line there. Dirty, just dirty. Lost 1,700. How many contracts were you trading, bro?
Damn, for real. How much coverage? Hey, listen. Still haven't. I still haven't done four. I ain't done 4 contracts in months.
Yeah, I haven't done 4 contracts in a minute too.
I'm sticking just 2.
Yo.
That's it. I'm sorry. 2. 2. All right. 2 or 3. If I see like a clear momentum, I may contract up a little bit. Like,
Yeah.
You know, 3 and then. Man, but shit, I'm practicing. I seen it. I seen like with the pin, the 20 con. I'm like, oh my gosh. Shit. Just 5 to 10 points. Oh my gosh. That's
Yeah.
crazy. That's just crazy. So that's just opening up my eyes though. So I'm like, oh, okay. I'm seeing how this thing works.
Like last year, I was trading 4 contracts.
I remember that was your bottom line. I don't think you ever really deviated from it.
Like I'm gonna say it again. I saw Duane do the 4. I did it too. I was like, Duane got 4. I was like, I'm gonna do 4. And then it just, I ain't gonna lie, it started biting me in the ass in the long run. But now it's like, you know what?
Yeah, well, 4 is great when it's moving your direction. When it's not moving your direction,
if it's not, you're in trouble. You're in big trouble.
And then remember those earlier accounts, we could trade up to 5, and then sometimes you'd be up to 5.
Right. I'm chilling, man. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I love it. You're my spiritual animal.
My spiritual animal.
Hey man,
I love
listen.
it.
That's all. Hey, that's all I'm looking for. I look base hits. That's it. 20, 30, 40 points, I'm good. If I could get lucky and get 100, hey, I'll take it. But
40 points, good God, Jesus.
I know, for real. We got this 21 EMA here right below us.
Oh, that dropped?
At 520, not 5, 721 area. That's 21 EMA.
I have 712 on mine. Great. So we're doing that again.
Kind of want to see how we react on that 21 before I take another trade here. Coming down to that 21. We're close. Haven't touched it yet. We're like a tick off.
Yeah, I see I'm at 712.87, so it throws everything off.
Yep, almost 10 o'clock. You are correct there, Warrior. Let me plug this computer. I totally forgot to.
Hey, can you move that arm like above your shoulder?
No.
I'm not gonna ask you to move it for me. I'm just asking your range. You know what I mean? kind of what I used to do. So I'm just
Yeah.
curious.
Can't put it above the shoulder right now. Well, I could do it like right there, but I can't.
Solid power to the people.
All right, we came down, tapped that 21 EMA. Let's see if we get a little bear flag. That's what I'm waiting for right now.
Disney stock just jumped up like $4 a share. I don't know why. Well, I know they're trying to repackage their DEI stuff, but I know better. I got to get out of the rest of it.
Are we getting ready to lose this 21 EMA?
Or find mine, and no matter how you look at it. It's a door-to-door salesman.
It's a door.
You know more about long-term investing?
But that's my bread and butter. I was doing that forever, so.
Okay.
I'm good, baby. Thank you. Come on, Betsy. We're playing on top of this 21 EMA right now, so not trying to just take a trade just because we're right here. Want to see some momentum here.
You're too smart for that.
Yeah, that's why I want to see some momentum. All right, showing us a bear flag on the 2 minute there. But we got to get through that 21 EMA. I am not trying to take this short until we get below that 21 EMA.
And it was like at 20, right?
The 21 EMA is sitting right now 722. 722.
Okay, thank you. I'm putting a line there. Yeah, that makes sense looking at it now.
Come on, Betsy. There's a 21 EMA tap right there. Let's see if we get some follow through here. I need follow through to take it. I'm not just because we broke just below it. I need more than that.
You want a fair value gap before you jump in.
Come on, Betsy. What are you going to do?
Oh, come on. I was up to 210. I closed and it's $10. Okay, what do you say about that? That's like
green is green.
Yeah, and I gotta share that commission. Thanks a lot. What the hell was that lag? Oh my goodness. Got 7 seconds on the 5 minute, Dwayne.
Thank you, thank you.
I gotta get my water after that. That was ridiculous.
Hey,
I might have to start drinking sparkling water after that.
sparkling comes in clutch. Sparkling does come in clutch.
What was that slippage? Dear God, I guess I wasn't red. Yeah, MES is definitely more buoyant.
Yeah, we gotta get below that 20. At this point, we got that middle of that 15-minute range down there as well. That middle of that range is sitting 708.50, 708.50. My thing stopped saying order failed. How do I fix it? Is your audio turned on? Your computer?
Well, I just do it myself. Order filled.
Order filled.
Actually, like when I'm trading at night, I turn that off. It's like obnoxious. Hey, is it true that you said you were going to be coming out some plugins? You know what I mean? So like one of them is going to be your voice that says order filled.
Possibly, possibly.
Gonna sing it, just get moving, baby.
For real.
Dwayne, tell it to go to the moon or something. Make us put a statement.
Make a statement.
Well, the world is watching you right now. They're weighing your. So say something and make it happen.
This thing gotta move, do something for us. I'm in this trade right now. Come on, Betsy.
seconds on a 5-minute.
Thank you, Steve. All right, close that one out. 410 on that trade. We're coming up to the high of this 15-minute range. We're coming to the high of this 15-minute range right here. Let's see. How much more would I need for the max payout? I need like $400. Need $400 for the max payout here. Decisions.
Well, you're loving how it's moving.
Not really. Not really.
I saw you. You were in the game.
All right, popping out of that 15-minute range right there.
Gonna wait for it to go back inside.
There we go. We're back inside that 15-minute range. All right, well, we're back in this 15-minute range here. Let's see if we put that line right there. See if we get another bull flag. This thing's slow and steady today. Slow and steady. All right, that was 330 across 9 accounts right there. Let me make sure the copy trader worked.
Mr. 3 grand.
Alrighty, so yep, the copy trader worked perfectly. We will.
Because it's going slow, so it's like it's not like having to jump in like before.
Yeah. So we'll definitely take that. Then I'm actually going to switch back to my Lucid. Just in case we get some good movement again, I'll take another trade on it. See if I can add that $400. First target above the 15-minute range is up there at 813. 813 for the first target. Let's see if we get us another flag. Dwayne would like to see a flag. We do have that selling pressure on that 2-minute candle.
Yeah, I see that. 5 minutes looking good. If it
Yep.
was kind of like resolved. Oh, but I think you've got 4.5 minutes for all that.
Dwayne,
Yes, sir.
you jumped in the trade?
Yeah, I took a trade. I took 2 trades. I put $300 something in 9 accounts and then $410 in 2 accounts.
Come on, Biz.
Come on, Betsy. Now my music ended and I'm in a trade. I hate when that happens.
Hey, G, can you sing your favorite song, please?
What type of rejection was that right there? Let's quickly. Did it do it? Do it? Do it? All right, let's load it. This should be our bull flag here.
Come on, can we see it? Let's rock and roll. Let's get that momentum going so Duane will start dancing.
My feet are already dancing. My feet are already dancing, believe it or not.
Boy, when it moves this fast, it's kind of groundbreaking, isn't it?
It is groundbreaking. It is groundbreaking.
Oh, it's hitting the moons. He's going in. Come on, Duane needs $7,000. Go.
Yep, 7,000. We want 7,000. It's stalling right there too. It's like, come on.
No, it's gonna go through. It's like it's knocking at the door. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Close that right there. I feel like we're still going to push up a little bit, but I'm not trying to sit here. Just locking in that profit, just locking that in. Want to see some more momentum here, maybe build us another flag. All right, coming down a little bit. Let's see if we build a flag here. Good morning, Caesar.
But it's getting set up again, Duane. It says, get ready.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, Steve. Oh, that was a sporadic little dance right there the Rincos just did.
Yeah, I saw that.
All right, I need less than $100 for a max payout. And we're right there at that seven. We hit that 798. I'm gonna wait. We got that whole number, that 800, that 25,800 that Caesar's looking for. I probably want to get above that target, above that 800, because my first original target was 813.50. 813.50 here.
Yeah, we're already back up all the way there, man.
So I'm not trying to jump in right at the 800 level. Just being real.
Thank you for being real.
Steve, I'm glad you appreciate me being real, bro. We got faith in you. We are less than an hour into open. Yep, I have 720. I put 720 in 2 accounts, 330 in 9 accounts. So we're just chilling. We're vibing. No, come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Let's hit that 800 level. I want to hit that 800 and see how we react on it. Because I don't want to tap that number then reject. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm waiting. Anticipating. Because right now the market's real slow right now. It's real slow right here. So it's trying to figure out what it wants to do. We got some selling pressure on those 2-minute candles right now. We do have some selling pressure up here, so be careful.
I'm going to take charge. Remember, like your dad said.
It's either we hit that 800 or we pump, or we hit that 800 and then we may reject on it. So that's why I'm trying to wait as patiently as possible.
It's kind of working. I can see you're starting to twitch.
I'm twitching. I'm twitching right now. You ain't lying. All right, there's the 800 tap. There we go. Not trusting. We're so close to that 800. Let's see if we use that 800 now as our floor to hold us up to take us higher.
Seconds left on the 5-minute and the 2-minute.
Thank you, Steve. All I hear is a bird outside chirping so hard right now. It must know I'm in a trade.
We have wrens there and building nests all over our yards. We just had ducklings.
Nice. Come on, Betsy. Whenever you're ready.
Morning, guys. Sorry, I was
Morning, Moose. Good morning, sir.
He's not buying more monitors from Facebook Marketplace.
Now I have a monitor even in the bathroom now.
That'd be kind of crazy.
No, gotta make, as I say, you gotta make money in the toilet. Are you in a buy or a sell?
I'm in a buy right now. We didn't get the push through that I wanted. Where I'm ready to cut this if we don't get the bounce here.
Protecting the capital.
Protect capital. Yep.
Yeah. I was gonna jump in because I just got on, but I'm like, let me wait a little bit. 10:30 until 3. So.
Yep, no, I don't like that little move right there. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to be the push through here. And yes, sorry for the chat. I have not been looking at it right now. I've been in this trade.
You know, you already said that it would happen if you're like making magic happen. It takes a second.
Come on, Betsy. Go ahead and rip it through. Come on. Come on. I'm officially done. There we go. Just secure that 2K payout right there as well with extra. So we'll take that.
How many more funders are you gonna trade, Uncle Duane?
Oh, I'm done. I'm tapped. I'm tapped. That last trade right there was more than enough for me. I'll trade some evals. I took a loss in earlier today. So I'll switch over to some evals, but I'm done trading fundeds. Let's see. I need $1,000 on one more Lucid account eval because what I've been doing now, I'm copy trading evals on my fundeds. So when I'm trading my fundeds, it's going to my evals as well.
Guys, if you're here by 11, I'll be back. But another client just came to my house.
But that's why I'm up for the day right there. That's why I'm up for the day right there. Not too crazy. Not too crazy right there. But we'll definitely take that. And I'll clean up some of that eval from Tradeify. What's the account number? So this is the eval that I'm gonna clean up here. We hit my first target finally. Took forever to get there. Let's see what the chat was saying when I was like in the trade. What's up, Bub? What's up, Bubbly? It's like stair stepping. Yep. See, Smooth. If you're still here, see you tomorrow, bro. There we go.
What's your next target, young one?
Next target, I would probably say would be the pivot. To be real, 821.75, 821.75. But we gotta get above our first target here, which was 813.50.
Yeah.
So now I had to decide because it won't calculate what I made in that Lucid funded account today till end of day for payouts. I'll probably wait till tomorrow morning to take the payout live with you guys. A max payout on a 50K account, so $2,000 with it.
Yep.
Which will put my total for the month so far at $6,000 in payouts. Well, $6,100 in payouts so far for the month. Shanti, I use Replicanto. I like them because you can have all your firms pulled up all at once with them. And you can copy trade all of them at once, but I don't do that. I copy trade per firm.
Is that a free thing?
No, Replicanto you have to pay for. But it's cool because you're able to set up groups for each prop firm on it. So you just go to that tab, just like how you switch through your charts. Same with that. So you can switch through which tab you're on, select your leader account, and it'll copy trade all the accounts you have on it. We got that 21 EMA below us. Right there at 77875. With Ninja Trader, they do have a free copy trader as well, but I feel like there's a little bit more slippage on it. Then probably one of the best copy traders would be Tradeify's built-in copy trader. Very little slippage on that one.
So when you copy trade, you just set it up and you execute on Tradeify?
If you're on Tradeify, yes, you set up the groups on Tradeify and you can copy trade. But the reason why I like Ninja Trader using the Replicanta more, you have all your accounts together. Where on Tradeify, you'll have to have different, I guess you could do it as well, different chart like tabs pulled open with you logged into your different accounts for like the prop firms. Where with Replicanta, you just connect, everything populates on Ninja Trader, and then you see all your accounts and you can set up your groups.
And you have to pay for that?
Replicanta, yes.
How much is it?
I paid for like the lifetime license. I think I paid like $200-300 for lifetime.
Okay. And it's like an extension off of Ninja Trader, like the ecosystem?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it work with Tradeify, Replicanto? No, so it would be for Ninja Trader. But if you're trading on Tradeify, just do the built-in copy trader on Tradeify, which is solid. The copy trader on Tradeify is solid. Love you too, baby. Before you, huh? Okay. Yeah. Don't worry, B. Yeah. I secured the two. Did you? I don't know. She just said, "Are you in the green today? Are you allowed to talk?" The audacity. I secured the 2K payout from Lucid. Huh? It was 15, but I said if the market was moving a little bit. Yeah, so I got that to the 2K, so I'll take that payout in the morning on the stream. Huh? What card? For you? For what? For what? Who? What? What? Where? Why? Yeah, take the gold card, baby. Yeah, take the legacy gold card, yo. She already knows. She should already spend my payout money already. This is crazy. Yeah, we can talk, baby. Caesar, all you have to do if you're on Tradeify, you're going to, let me actually pull mine up. All right, baby, I'll call you when I get off. Enjoy your workout, Rob. Spiff, why do I get nervous in eval, but when I'm funded, I'm not? You probably, are you using like a bigger size in the eval stage, bro? A lot of traders, that's what they do. And then they wonder why it doesn't feel the same in the fundeds. What's up, Yaz?
All right, guys. Have a good day.
All right, brother. Have a good one. Let me log into my trade. I haven't logged into this since I was going to San Antonio. Been a minute. Close. All right, there we go. So, Caesar, all you're going to do is click your account on Tradeify, then go to Manage Groups. Click Manage Groups, and then you will add what accounts you want in on the group. And that's all you got to do. And then you'll select how many orders they're doing, everything like that. Trying to come on down to this 21 EMA here. Hey, let's go, yes. Congrats. What firm was that with? Yas took 3 payouts for the first time ever Congratulations, man. You guys are growing with me. I love it. You guys are taking payouts. I love it. I love to see it. I'm excited. That makes me excited where I want a full port. Lucid, congrats. Yes, that's amazing. I'm taking a 2K payout from Lucid on tomorrow morning stream. A max payout on one of my 50K accounts with them. G, what size shirt are you? Uh-huh. 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 Oh, he's not, he left. That's crazy. G just
celebrate.
Oh, he made his money. He did. I feel him. I feel him. I'll send all the Floridians a group message in the community for the shirt sizes. I already got yours, Steve, for the extra large.
Yes, sir.
Clean that up a little bit. DH, bro, you're always... I'm glad you like the vibe here, bro. That's why we stream and do what we do. No thank you needed, bro. You guys help me just as much as I help y'all. Have a good one, BP.
You're blowing my mind because you're in around the whole number. That's not the Duane I know.
I actually peeped that after I clicked the button. Not gonna lie to you. I peeped that after I clicked the button, and I was like, great, not a smart move. Yes, you're freaking welcome. I'm glad it's working. I'm glad it's working for you. Simple strategies was base hits. That's what gets the payouts consistently. Like my goal for the month, like from trading, right, is literally just $5,000 a month in payouts. Why? That's like if you have $1 million in the bank, that's what you're making off interest each and every month. So that's always been my goal. It's just $5,000 extra a month from trading. So it's like I got $1 million in the bank. And maybe those numbers fluctuate a little bit now. I'm not sure. But back originally, it was $1 million would give you about $5,000 a month off interest. So if I could do the $5,000, I'm good. It's like I got $1 million in the bank sitting there. We're back below that 800 level.
You better wait until it gets to like 810 before you touch that button. Or not. You got all quiet. I'm like, okay.
Because I was debating if I clicked the button. That's why I got so quiet. I'm like, do I click the button? Do I click the button? Because it looked heavy. It looked heavy. Right back to the 800 level. And that 800 level just looked at it and said, we're going to hold it. We're going to hold this price up now. This is an eval, folks. This is an eval. That I just blew, by the way. It was already in drawdown. I copy traded them earlier. I was in drawdown already on them. You know, I will not actually switch back over to it. Maybe this one. Make sure that's not my... Oh, this is a Lucid eval. I need $1,000 more in this account for this to become a funded account with Lucid. And when I get that payout tomorrow, I'll probably put in 2 more $200. Get some more evals with Lucid. I'm trying to get fully funded with them with 5 funded accounts. Yeah, let me know. I'll go back to that one I'm already in drawdown in. So if we get it, we get it. If we don't, I'm not mad about it because we're already in drawdown on a select 50K eval. We're at this first target, right below this first target from earlier. That 813.25, 813.25. We got a pivot above us as well in that high 817.75.
Yeah, through that wick. It's like getting crazy.
All right, just came back to the 817.75 once again there. What's up, Brad? What's up, Lou? This is an eval. This is not a funded account here. I secured another 2K payout from Lucid today. So we'll take that payout live with you guys in the morning tomorrow. We got that pivot point up there. We got less than 3 minutes for 11. Less than 3 minutes for 11. Yep, just got stopped out. Oh well. Travis, you and me both, bro. You and me both. I copy traded them. I got put in a drawdown. And then I just like, whatever happens, happens at this point. But your boy did secure the 2K payout from Lucid. A max payout again with them. Yeah, I'll be jumping off here at 11. I'll be jumping off at 11 so I could probably ice my arm, everything like that, and chest before I go work out later today. Travis, listen. Full transparency because you're my brother. You're my brother, right? So last Friday, where I had my big $8,400 loss across like 9 accounts. What's up, Lucas? I was $200 away from a max payout with Lucid. Took the L. This week, I've simply been base hitting it back. Because I threw the time frame out the window. I'm like, if I get it, I get it. By the end of the month, I'm happy. So even though you were 300 away and lost 1K, you're still good. The account's still active. Go back to base hits, and you'll get that payout, bro. Travis, you gotta take that step back, bro. You gotta be like, I'm gonna get the payout, but I'm not rushing anything. Motion, sorry you're here, bro. Do you still got that account or no? Right now with all this war stuff and like the blockades, everything like that. Right now, this tests the best traders. You know what I'm saying? This is test the best traders. So don't feel bad if you're not getting the results you want right now from the markets. The markets aren't moving clean. When markets aren't moving clean, it's hard.
Where is your 21, if you don't mind me asking?
My 21, we're coming on down to it. Sitting right at 794.
Okay, so you're still above me. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Yep, do base hits and accidentally hit a home run, then swing for a home run, and then I get nothing. I don't want to get struck out. Baptism by fire, Warrior, 100%, bro. Listen, this is the best way to learn how to trade is in the markets, because when you do playbacks, everything like it doesn't move the same. But when you're trading a paper trade, whatever, like you're seeing how different the market moves than those playbacks. These last couple months have walloped me. That's what brought me to YouTube looking for a second option. I feel that, bro. Listen, trading is by far the best thing any one of us could ever do for ourselves, right? Like so far for the month, with tomorrow's payout, that'll put me on $6,100 in payouts for the month. And we still have plenty of time, over 2 weeks almost, to continue to trade. Let's see here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 5. So that's 8. So we literally will have 11 more days of trade. Actually, no, 12 days of trade. 12 more days to trade this month. And if I take one more or 2 more payouts for the month, that's a solid month. That's 10 grand. That'd be 10 grand in the month of April just from base hitting. What can you do with an extra 6 grand, 2 grand, 4 grand, whatever number you want to put on it? What can you do with extra money? That helps you pay some bills. That'll keep it where you can enjoy life a little bit more. Like for me, trading, my trading money is my, I call it my fun money. Because my bills are always paid for my businesses. So I don't have to think about my bills the same way anymore, thank God. But when you're first starting off with trading, you gotta look at it as extra. You cannot look at it as your end all. If you're looking at your end all, you will have a lot of pressure on yourself and you won't get the results you want. What's up, Joel? How you feeling, bro? How are you feeling today, brother? We're through that 21 EMA. Good, bro. I'm actually going to be getting ready to jump off here. We did what we had to do today. We secured the 2K payout from Lucid, which I'm not going to take today. I'll take tomorrow morning live with you guys. So that way it's fully transparent. You know what I'm saying? Taking my payouts live with y'all. So no one can say, oh, he doesn't take payouts. No, I take them live with you guys. Oh, look at that dump. Crazy. We finally got through that 21 EMA. And that thing just came right on down. Well, folks, tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between, gentlemen. Hopefully you enjoyed this morning's trading session. I'm going to be jumping off here to go mentally prepare for my workout today. We're doing legs today. Can't do upper body right now. Good job, Warrior. Good job on catching that dump. I will see y'all tomorrow. Well, tonight for the Hangout. And if I don't see you tonight, I'll see you tomorrow morning to trade live. Be blessed, Legacy. My market makers, have a great rest of your day. In YouTube, stay safe in the markets. Your boy's out. Deuces. Later, guys.